Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something that can sound a bit scary to us. That is deployment. Okay, I know it sounds a bit complicated, right? I used to feel the same way, but luckily there are services out there that make deployment or API super duper simple, whether it's for production or other different environments. So in my past videos, we talked about Netlify, how it helps us deployment, and we even looked at the AWS services like serverless Lambda. Okay, today though we are going to focus on the Vercel. If you haven't heard about what is Vercel, Vercel is the cloud platform that's made deployment really easy for both front-end and back-end apps. It used to mainly for front-end stuff, but now they've added the serverless function, so it's perfect for deploying the backend APIs too. By the way, if you're not sure what is serverless functions are, so I covered that in another videos, so go check that out if you need it too. Okay, in my past videos, when I discussed about what is AWS serverless function, so I have discussed about how the serverless lambda flows works. Okay, all right, so in this video, now we simply talk about what is Vercel and how the Vercels use the serverless lambda to deploy other node backend APIs. And one of the features that Vercel provide is continuous integration. Okay, it connects our GitHub apps, and through that GitHub, it fetches our repository, and we want to deploy, and we can select any repositories from the GitHub. What Vercel does that it clones the report we have chosen from the GitHub, runs its code inside its services, and hosts the whole backend application. When any changes occur in the GitHub, it automatically reflects in its services, and it's again rebuild that code and deploy the application. Okay, so let's dive into it. You will need to create a Vercel account. Okay, I have already created the Vercel account. Okay, after you are successfully logged in or sign up, you will redirect into this page. Okay, so let's build the project. So we'll deploy our project authentication project. The last time we built together. So this is a whole code. Okay, bunch of API. There are the bunch of routes like Google authentications and normal AWS authentication routes. Okay, so we'll try to build this application. What we need to do is to export this app, and after that we have to create a file name called vercel.json. So you have to create this file. Okay, this is a whole configuration file. So it says the versions of our project, of our deployment project, and it shows the source of our entry point. So in our entry point source is index.js, so you can see here. And after that, where our routes contents, contents inside our source directory. Okay, what source means index file. Okay, so these things we have to mention, and after that we have our node env file. Okay, now after the successful deployment, we have to change to our production environment. Okay, so we'll try this later. Okay, after that we have two branches. One is master branch and another is main branch. So basically, when you are working together, work on multiple branches. Okay, one is master branch. Master branch is for the production phase, and another is main branch. When any changes occur, it first pull request to the main branch, and after accept this pull request and merge to the main branch. Okay, and this main branch goes to the production. So similar, we have also one is master branch, another is main branch. So come back to the Vercel. We have to add a new project, and so I have already connected to my GitHub account. So you can, if you haven't connected yet, you will see that the import GitHub icon. So you just click that button and authorize to your GitHub account. Okay, after that we will import this template, and what we'll do is, this is our root directory. Everything is working fine, and after that we have to set our environment variable. Let's go back and just copy all and paste it here. Okay, Yes, everything is going well. So after the successful deployment, we will change this GitHub URL or Google client. Okay, Google callback URL. Okay, I'll just now let's do deploy. So it will take some time. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, finally it is deployed. Okay, let's go to the dashboard, and this is our endpoint. OAuth template Vercel application. You can try this from the Postman. Okay, this is okay, and I'll first login. Try to login. Okay, this is everything is working fine, and I have used the at last cloud services from MongoDB storage. So here I have already created some data, user data, and through this data it get logged in. Okay. So for the Google authentication, have to add this domain in our Google Cloud Console. So this, and this is our callback URL. So if you can see, we have put that URL in our Google callback URL. So we have to simply change this localhost to this production URL. Again, we have to simply change this to production URL. So add this environment variable in Vercel's project also. Okay, so for that you have to go to settings and change environment variables. Let's go to this Google callback URL, and let's edit to this and save. I'll save this, and similarly for GitHub URL I'll change this. Okay, I'll save this, and if you go to deployment, so it is perfect. Okay, I have already after that we'll save this. Okay, after that let's try to deploy this part again. Projects, this current part is, so this is the current array is pointing to our latest document project. So we'll simply visit this URL, and after that we'll simply go to the Google, pasting this. Let's check in inspect and retro tab. So again we'll industry. Best if you go to the callback response, so it is redirected to this URL. After we select any accounts, so it return back with a token as it successfully login. So in this way you can deploy your any backend API into Vercel's cloud services. Okay, so you can try to this endpoint in your Postman any testing services. So the codes are provided into GitHub. You can check it here. Authentication template. This is masters, and this is the main branch. Okay, and here you can see that our URL is automatically integrated in our GitHub. If you can see, I have tried in multiple for testing purpose. So this is the latest commit. In this, when any changes occur in our GitHub, a new deployment is triggered by our new commit messages, and in Vercel it try to rebuild again, and after a successful building, it changes our current successful building. It changes our current arrow to us latest deployment project ID. Okay, so in this way you can deploy this Vercel. You can deploy your one backend application in Vercel. Okay. So thank you for watching.